Hey guys, I'm your host Random Guy 12345 and today CBR has provided us with gold content. 10 times Shippuden ignored everything that the original Naruto stood for. I'm your host Random Guy 12345 and I have with me my friends
Age too short.
and
NRV Empire.
so today we're going to go through this article. We're going to look at points that we don't agree with and the points we actually agree with. That's going to be very rare, but let's get straight into it. The first point being fight scenes aren't as strategic. One aspect of the original series was that the fight scenes were reliably won with intelligence. This was demonstrated throughout virtually every battle, but is most prominently remembered in conflicts such as Naruto vs Neji or Shikamaru vs Temari. Conversely, Shippuden's battles are less thoughtful, that require more strength over brain. This was partially responsible for Shikamaru's decline into irrelevance as the second act of the anime unfolded, if we exclude his fight with Hidan. Now, Enavi, what is your take on this?
Well, I do not agree with this because I do agree with one point that he said that Naruto stands for strategies and it also stands for power. But the anime, Naruto anime, you can see the strategies is not entirely while he is fighting, he doesn't explain strategies, but after he explains how he thought of it and how he executed. So that's a good point.
Yeah, and is it
I-
too short?
I also believe don't exactly agree fight scenes Naruto as the Hokage now.
Yeah.
So he doesn't really need to use some strategy that much. But when he was in Naruto, he did use some strategy. That was because he was going against a stronger opponent. So I mean, it's not really like anything to agree or disagree.
Well, see, my take on this is that, look, strategy is still involved, but it's not nearly as showcased. It's
Yeah.
involved, but we don't get an inner monologue like as the fight with Shikamaru and all that stuff.
And for me, I also believe that usually whenever Shikamaru is on a fight, he always uses strategy because that is his
Yeah,
main forte.
that's his character, like quirk, right?
Yeah.
Not exactly like that's his power. That he has a very big brain. Okay, moving on to point 9. The merit of taijutsu users were underplayed. Taijutsu was introduced as an alternative, and judging by Rock Lee's superb performance, it was implied that the users were a formidable force. Unfortunately, its merits were underplayed in the second act in favor of flashier abilities. The only significant accomplishment a taijutsu user achieved was through the defeat of Kisame, and even using the 8 gates, Might Guy was able to put down Madara for good. Okay, so let's talk about this. I don't have a problem with this opinion, but what I do have a problem with is the final point. Might Guy was unable to put Madara down for good. Now, this is a little controversial topic because a few people say that, you know, without Might Guy, the others, they won't have a chance of defeating him. But in reality, Might Guy put in almost 60% of the work, and that's a lot.
Yeah.
Even though he took a lot of help, but he still did a lot of stuff. And Madara even mentioned that, are you trying to kill me? And you've given me excitement ever since the first time I fought Hashirama. So that's a pretty big statement on its own. And not exactly, because taijutsu users went underplayed at all. I think they played a pretty significant role as much as the others as well. So yeah, you guys, your opinions?
Yeah, I agree. I
Yeah.
agree with it.
Yeah, I agree with it.
Okay, so where taijutsu users underplayed?
Well, they didn't show as much of them as Rock Lee was a pretty main character in the Naruto series, not as much in Shippuden. But yeah, still the Taijutsu it wasn't that underplayed. It still reduced a little their screen time in the role, but it wasn't really underplayed.
Yeah. So moving on to the next point, the value of Jonin went way down. Now, I don't think I need to read any of this because I totally agree with CBR on this. Now, a Jonin back in the original Naruto, suppose the fight with Zabuza versus Kakashi, right? So I don't think I disagree with CBR on this point. It's just that the other people like say Naruto, they overshadowed all of them. So that was a little bit of, there was here and there. But
Me,
yeah, I agree. But the main point is that in the latter half of Shippuden, with all the crazy stuff with Madara, the Akatsuki and all that stuff, Jonin, they played a pretty important role. So I'd say I'm 50-50 on this one.
Yeah, because Might Guy, as you said, did play an important role.
Yeah.
But like there are like again, Might Guy is one of the more important characters in the series. But if you say the value of Jonan, we're talking about Jonan overall.
Yeah.
And there are like Jonan, we saw like they just got completely like defeated.
Okay, but I do have a problem with one of the points here. Asuma was killed by Hidan in spite of his students' assistance, and Hidan was considered the weakest of the Akatsuki. CBR is completely wrong. And if you know what the Akatsuki is made of, it's made of ninja. They're like
They are Jonin level.
they're above Jonin.
Yeah.
They're that strong, right? I mean, you can't exactly say that it was Asuma's fault as well, because he was more of a strategy person, and he was more of a brutal guy. I mean, not a brutal guy, but
Straightforward,
yeah, he was straight.
physical
Yeah. So CBR, you're a little wrong here, but okay, fine. Kind of agree with that. Vengeance is bad message was contradicted. Okay. Curiously, as is depicted better. Okay, if we're talking about the case of Asuma, where he died because of Hidan, don't you think it was just played by Shikamaru? See, because Shikamaru, he's been training with Asuma ever since he was a kid. So can you really blame him for wanting to take vengeance?
No, you can't blame him.
It's kind of.
And when they mean by like vengeance was contradicting, inside they're talking about Sasuke who gave his whole life just to kill his brother
Well,
Itachi. In his Shikamaru wasn't going to like just his only life goal wasn't just kill a particular person.
yeah. And it's nothing like Shikamaru killed Hidan or something. He just applied bombs and left him, and he comes back in Boruto. If you see the Boruto episodes, Hidan comes in Boruto.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I don't watch Boruto, but that's great. Okay, next point. So I have to disagree with CBR on that one. Okay, villagers' opinion of Naruto changed too soon. Guys, can I just complete this, please? I just want to get this out of the way.
Okay.
Listen, their opinion changed on Naruto really quickly because he showed the capability of controlling Kurama. Not to a full extent, but he still did. And he defeated Pain. He was the guy who destroyed Konoha, like, completely. Can you really do that, CBR? Because Naruto, he trained really hard, and that's why he fought Pain and he won. So, come on, guys, that's kind of dumb.
Like the whole village was struggling to defeat Pain.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. It's kind of okay. Hard work beats natural talent. Okay. Hard work beats natural talent.
This is not really specific. Like
Yeah, Hagoromo's blessings in fight. Okay, no. So they're talking about the reincarnation of Asura and Indra, right?
Yeah.
It's not like that. The way it went was Asura and Indra, their reincarnations were forced to fight against each other.
Yeah.
It was nothing like the reincarnations had more power compared to the others. It's not like that. It's just that in a few cases they were strong. Okay, we get it, but not all of them, right? It's only the people that we focus on are strong, not the others. So CBR, I'll have to disagree. And what about you guys?
Yeah.
whatever disagree. Like they could have been more specific. Like sometimes like
yeah.
hard work. Yeah, especially if you're like doing something for your
Like Might
whole
Guy
life.
as well.
Yeah,
Might
like
Guy.
Might Guy.
Might Guy, he almost killed Madara. So that's kind of dumb.
And Rock Lee.
Yeah. So next up, Itachi was in the. My God.
Like
Okay, CBR. I'll tell you. This is simple.
he was short and simple.
Yeah. CBR, you're wrong. Moving on. Next up, the Rasengan became easier to catch. Do you guys want to finish this off or the?
Like more people of course started
No.
using the Rasengan.
No. See, the amount of people who could use it, it didn't necessarily change. It was just that these people had gotten stronger. If you remember, there's a time skip between Naruto and Shippuden. They
Yeah.
obviously got better with controlling that chakra. I mean, what? Naruto was 12 or 10 or something when Naruto, like the original Naruto, happened.
Yeah.
Right.
The only people who know the Rasengan right now was Jiraiya,
Jiraiya, Naruto, Minato, Kakashi. And Kakashi also, I'm not sure if he was able to use the Rasengan properly. He added lightning to it so it became easier for him to use the Chidori, right?
he just showed the Rasengan after Naruto learned.
See, again, disagreeing completely.
Yeah.
Moving on, Sasuke's new goal after Itachi's death made less sense. Okay, guys. See, I think CBR means that Sasuke's goal was it made less sense after Itachi died. Do you want to finish this off?
Well, of course it did. In a part of the entire anime, Sasuke's main goal was to kill Itachi.
Yeah, but they never mentioned the fact that. But the anime never mentioned the fact that, look, he did it for the sake of the village. Sasuke wouldn't have been alive.
Yeah, after Itachi dies, there was a new motive driven.
Yeah, exactly.
Which was driving Sasuke.
Like in the Death Note video, as that person said, character development.
Yes.
And yeah, you should check out a video I made on character development. It's really helpful if you want a better context of this. Okay, moving on. There was less focus on the rest of the cast. Now, CBR, I agree with you completely. I see there's no point in disagreeing.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So CBR, you went as wrong as a few times in the past.
But like a few of your points,
They were very vague. They were
Well,
less defined.
Well, in conclusion, this is an improvement from Death Note.
No, not Death Note. That was
that was
Korra, dude.
Korra.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's fine. So CBR, you made some pretty bad mistakes, but it's fine. We accept
Yeah,
your improvement.
we have seen worse.
Yeah, we've seen worse. So yeah, guys, I think that wraps it up for the video. Naruto and Naruto Shippuden, a great anime. I highly suggest you check it out if you haven't already. And yeah, that's it for the video. If you enjoyed, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And turn on post notifications so that you don't miss out on any of our latest videos. Stay home, stay safe, and remember, go beyond. Class Ultra.